Okay, time to be real. For the first time when I traveled solo, I didn't feel free. It was awkward, uncomfortable, and I genuinely thought, did I just make a huge mistake? But 7 days later, I didn't want to come back. And this is the story of how it all started. So, dear future solo traveler, I know you're feeling nervous right now. तुम्हें लग रहा है तुम ये कर भी पाओगे कि नहीं कर पाओगे. थोड़े ब्लॉग्स भी देख लिए, कैप्शंस भी पढ़ लिए, हॉस्टल्स के रील भी सेव कर लिए और अंदर से बहुत मन भी कर रहा है ये चीज़ करने का. But फिर भी there is this little voice inside your head telling you, can you really do this? What if you don't enjoy your own company? What if you start feeling awkward? I have been there and I want you to know this series is for you. Think of it as your personal little guide to solo travel through stories, lessons, and things I wish someone would have told me before I took the leap. And in this episode of Dear Future Solo Traveler, I want to take you to the very beginning. Basically, how did I even get to know about solo travel and how did it become one of the best decisions of my life? So let's get started. So back in college, I vividly remember that I stumbled upon Shivyanath ka blog, The Shooting Star, and when I read that, it literally hit me that, oh, people can travel alone. मतलब वो अकेले जा सकते हैं, अकेले चीज़ें भी कर सकते हैं, सोलो घूम भी सकते हैं. ऐसा हो सकता है. This is possible. So that was the very first time that the idea really struck my head and it was like, wow, women are really doing that. People are really doing that. And then I remember seeing Tanya Khanijaw's vlog, which was her Pondicherry vlog. She was shooting using a phone and I think it was one of her very first few videos where she was traveling solo in Pondicherry. And when I saw that video, it really, really hit me. And to me, it was like, hey, girls are really doing it? Matlab, people are traveling solo. But back then, it was just an idea that just, came right in front of me. Social media was just growing and I was just looking at these few things. But to be very honest, I'd never really thought that this is something I would want to pursue. But back then, I didn't have the money, I didn't have the confidence, and I was very sure my parents are not gonna say yes. So I just sparked the idea, but the spark was still there. Now, before I tell you how I started solo traveling, I would like to take you a little back and tell you how my mindset was back then. So I remember back in college also, I was this independent person and at least I was trying to be an independent person. I remember कि I used to, take tuition classes ताकि मैं अपने pocket money save कर पाऊँ, ताकि मैं financially independent हो जाऊँ. Independent in the sense ज़्यादा dependent नहीं रहूँ मैं अपने parents के ऊपर. And I never called my parents for the slightest of inconvenience कि जब तक कोई बहुत बड़ा बम नहीं फट जाए तब तक I never used to call my parents ताकि वो inconvenience उनको नहीं हो. And I was this person who liked figuring things out on my own. So solo travel definitely happened a lot later, but that mindset of figuring things out on my own or doing things on my own was always there. And as far as I remember, I always liked traveling, but I did the traditional stuff first. So I got my engineering degree, उसके बाद I got my job, and job के बीच में I used to travel a little bit, and then COVID hit. And everything just collapsed. All the certainty and everything, like एक लाइफ जो फ्लो में चल रही थी कि तुम ऑफिस जाते हो, वापस आते हो, अपना काम करते हो, जो भी चीज़ें चल रही थी, जो भी मैंने डिग्री पाई थी, बीटेक कर लिया था मैंने, मैं अपना ऑफिस का काम कर रही थी, सब बढ़िया चल रहा था. कोविड आया, एवरीथिंग वॉज स्टक इमोशनली एंड फिजिकली. एंड देन it hit me after a year of sitting at home doing my work from home wala job. I was there and I was like, what am I even doing over here? इतना ज़्यादा मेरे को ऐसा chaotic feel हो रहा था. And I've always been an outdoorsy person. I always like to travel. And वो घर पे बैठे बैठे I just got really, really stuck emotionally. And the uncertainty was killing me from inside. And I started taking charge of my own, life. And I was like, oh no, I really need to do something about it. And there was also this feeling from inside that I really need to prove it to people, or I don't know where was it coming from. I just needed to prove it to myself that hey, I'm capable of doing this, I'm capable of doing that. तो वो सारी चीज़ें काफ़ी सब कुछ चल रहा था मन के अंदर. And to be very honest, one very big reason why I wanted to solo travel was because I was really tired of the preconceived notion people had about me. चाहे वो कुछ भी हो, I just wanted to be someone जिसको मेरे स्कूल के बारे में ना पता हो, मेरे कॉलेज के बारे में ना पता हो, जो मेरे घर को नहीं जानता हो. आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू escape this reality जिसको मेरे बारे में बचपन के बारे में पता है, ये पता है, वो पता है. आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू गो टू अ प्लेस एंड फील लाइक माई सेल्फ, जहाँ कोई प्रीकंसीव नोशन नहीं है, जहाँ मैं हूँ, जहाँ कोमल है. तो that idea was really hitting my head, and उस point of time पे I started making this Venn diagram that what should I do. And after writing my hobbies and what do I like to do and ये सब चल रहा था, then I realized, okay, two things, content creation and travel. एंड कॉन्टेंट क्रिएशन ऑल्सो केम इन टू पिक्चर बिकॉज आई रियली वॉन्टेड टू ट्रैवल. पैसे इतने ज़्यादा थे नहीं, सो आई वॉन्टेड टू क्रिएट कॉन्टेंट, आई वॉन्टेड टू वॉलंटियर एट सर्टन प्लेसेस सो दैट यू नो मेरे पेरेंट्स को भी ये चीज़ समझ में आए थोड़ा बहुत कि वाई इट इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ घूम रही है, इतने पैसे भी नहीं लगा रही, पैसे तो बचा रही है, क्योंकि दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट राइट, कि तुम इतना क्यों घूम रहे हो एंड अकेले क्यों घूम रहे हो. एंड वो जो पूरी स्टोरी है कि यू नो हाउ आई कन्विंस्ड माई पेरेंट्स एंड ये सब जो चीज़ें हैं, दैट इज़ अ स्टोरी फॉर अनदर टाइम. But right now, I want to tell you where did I go for my first solo trip and how did it really go. So for those who don't know, I am from Siliguri, West Bengal, and I chose Sikkim as my destination. And before even going for my first solo trip, I went to Uttarakhand for 2 months, and that wasn't alone. I was with my boyfriend, and उस point of time पे ऐसा था कि I understood कि हाँ चीज़ें मतलब hostels कैसा दिखता है, क्या होता है, वहाँ की life कैसे होती है. And 2 months is a very long time to actually travel. तो वो भी मेरे को convince करना पड़ा था पेरेंट्स को कि कोविड के बीच में why do I really need to go and you know see the world या जो भी है. बट सोलो ट्रिप के लिए I chose Pelling, Sikkim, which was like 6-7 hours from my home, and I was very excited, but at the same time nervousness था मेरे अंदर कि you know कि how is it going to go. लेकिन it was a strategic decision कि I chose Sikkim because it was 6-7 hours. I don't have to take a flight and it is like 2 or 3 cabs away. In case I want to you know leave everything and मुझे घर भागना हो तो I can actually do that. So that मतलब this was like my backup plan कि in case nothing work out, मेरे को नहीं अच्छा लगा सोलो ट्रैवल करना, तो I can actually come back home. And I strategically decided कि 7 days के लिए जाएंगे, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं जाएंगे, बिकॉज सोलो जा रहे हैं, पहली बार जा रहे हैं, इतना लंबा रिस्क नहीं लेना है कि 30 दिन के लिए निकल गए एंड कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट आई डिड. एंड उसके बाद आई रिमेंबर मेरी भैया की शादी हुई थी, द डे ही गॉट मैरिड, उसके 2 दिन बाद आई लेफ्ट फॉर माई फर्स्ट सोलो ट्रिप. एंड जो सिक्किम के लिए जो कैब है वो सिलीगुड़ी से होते हुए जाता है, तो मैंने थोड़ा ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड कन्वीनियंस ये सब चीज़ का ध्यान रखा था. हॉस्टल वहाँ पे 7 डेज़ के लिए सेम ही हॉस्टल बुक कर लिया था. तो ये सब चीज़ें मैंने थोड़ी बहुत रिसर्च विचर्च करके मैंने ये सारा चीज़ बुक कर लिया. एंड देन आई रीच्ड पेलिंग, सिक्किम. नाउ द डे I reached, it was a Sunday, and there was nobody at the hostel except the host. And Sikkim is the least populous state in India. Plus, on top of that, it's a Sunday. तो इतना ज़्यादा शांति था that I could literally hear the thoughts inside my head, and I was like, oh my God, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे? What am I doing over here? And like I said, I felt uncomfortable, I felt awkward, and मैं around 1-2 बजे शायद पहुँच गई थी, and I was like, what is happening? कोई नहीं है यहाँ पे. I wanted to make friends, I wanted to meet people. I thought hostel में वही होता है. That's what I did in Uttarakhand as well. And right now here I am, and कैसे चलेगा यार, होगा कैसे, how is it going to work out? But then I told myself, okay, take a breather, it's okay, it's only day 1, it's supposed to be awkward, it's supposed to be uncomfortable, take it one day at a time, wait, see what happens. एंड वो दिन जो था वो बहुत ज़्यादा शांत भरा दिन था. आई जस्ट सैट एंड लुक्ड एट अ माउंटेन्स एंड आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, इट्स अ ब्रेव डिसीजन टू मेक, यू आर हियर, इट्स ओके, इट्स ओके. आई वाज जस्ट यू नो ट्राइंग टू कंसोल माई सेल्फ कि कोई बात नहीं, लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपन्स, चलो देखते हैं, फिगर आउट करते हैं. एंड टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द डे, बेसिकली संडे था, तो पीपल एक्चुअली वेंट आउट फॉर साइट सीइंग एंड सारे लोग वापस आए. There was this bonfire, ठंड का टाइम था because it was mid-Feb, and bonfire के around we were chilling. I started talking to people, they were really nice to me, and थोड़ा थोड़ा gel up होने लगा. जैसे जैसे वो होने लगा, I also started loosening up and I started feeling comfortable. And by the end of that day, I already knew that yes, I am so glad that I'm here. You know कि अच्छा हुआ मैं आ गई करके. And very easily, ये हर टाइम नहीं हो पाता वैसे, बट वेरी ईजिली आई वॉज एबल टू मेक फ्रेंड्स ओवर देयर. एंड आई एम एन एक्सट्रोवर्ट पर्सन, आई एम अ सोशल पर्सन, एंड आई लाइक टॉकिंग टू पीपल, एंड आई फील like I have a lot to talk about in general in life, about a lot of different topics, and that really helps when you're solo traveling, by the way. So when I was sitting over there talking to them, अच्छा लग रहा था. एंड उसके बाद days got really easy for me क्योंकि हम साइट सीइंग साथ में करने जा रहे थे, we were hanging out together, and ऐसा नहीं है कि challenges नहीं आए. And it was not like a trip for me क्योंकि I was working from Sikkim, and there was this one day when पूरा का पूरा Pelling का electricity got cut. एंड वी लिटरली वेयर रोमिंग अराउंड विद लैपटॉप्स कि भाई कहीं पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आ जाए. एंड इट्स नॉट ईजी बिकॉज तुम काम कर रहे हो, यू कांट टेल देम कि तुम तो भाई वर्क फ्रॉम माउंटेन कर रहे हो, इस वजह से तुम्हारी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं है. सो ऐसे छोटे छोटे चैलेंजेस आ रहे थे. एंड उसके अलावा जो मेरा फेवरेट मोमेंट है वो पूरे ट्रिप का, आई विल ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट मोमेंट. इट वॉज एट 4 AM in the morning. वहाँ पे बेसिकली उस हॉस्टल से कंचनजंगा का पीक दिखाई देता है, एंड वो सुबह सुबह बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर दिखता है. एंड मेनली बिकॉज द सन रेज, जो सुबह का जो फर्स्ट सनराइज का जो रेज होता है, सन रेज, दे फॉल ऑन दैट माउंटेन एंड इट लुक्स golden, like so freaking beautiful, so beautiful. I really wanted to see that. And इतनी ज़्यादा ठंड थी वहाँ पे, like literally माइनस में टेम्परेचर जा रहा था. But I woke up at 4 a.m. in the morning. I stood outside, I went outside my room. I stood there, looked at those mountains, and that moment was only for me. Like, it was just my moment. There was nobody around, nobody there to share the moment. That was my solo trip moment when I looked at those mountains, so freaking beautiful. And वो बहुत जल्दी वो moment over भी हो जाता है क्योंकि सन ऊपर आने में ज़्यादा टाइम लगाता नहीं है. So it was a like less than 3-4 minutes का moment था. I was shivering, पूरा blanket लेके मैं वहाँ पे खड़ी थी and I was looking at those mountains. So freaking gorgeous. And by the end of the trip, जब 7 days over हुए, I just didn't want to come back. आई डिडंट वांट टू कम बैक. मेरे को ऐसा लगा शिट यार, ओवर हो गया, जाना तो है ही. जबकि एक्सटेंड कर सकती थी, बट देन आई वाज लाइक नहीं ठीक है, लेट्स एंड इट ऑन अ गुड नोट. आई हैड फन, आई मेड फ्रेंड्स, I talked to strangers, I learned a few things. I was able to be comfortable with myself in some way or the other, and I navigated few challenges here and there, and I had my solo travel moment, and I did not regret it for a second. There's one more incident about that solo trip that I'd like to share, and it's important because it really shaped the kind of person I am today, and I've always been this person, but that moment was really important. I remember जब आप सोलो ट्रैवल कर रहे होते हो ना, there are generally men around you. इंस्टाग्राम पे देखोगे ना तो जनरली लड़कियां सोलो ट्रैवल प्रमोट कर रही है, लेकिन जब आप एक्चुअल में सोलो ट्रैवल करोगे ना, यू विल रियलाइज देयर आर लॉट ऑफ मेन अराउंड यू, वेरी फ्यू वुमेन. सो उस पूरे हॉस्टल में आई थिंक मैं और एक लड़की थे, बाकी सारे के सारे मेन थे. दे वर रियली नाइस, ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. एंड आई रिमेंबर वी वर हैविंग कॉन्वर्सेशंस अराउंड द डिनर टेबल, like the area, and they were laughing at this one travel content creator. I don't want to take her name because she was wearing a backless top, and हम लोग वो she was standing in front of Kanchenjunga Falls. हम लोग basically देख रहे थे कि हमें कहाँ कहाँ जाना है वहाँ पे. And they were like कि हाँ देखना इसमें कितने सारे views है, because she is wearing a certain type of cloth. And it literally boiled me so much because that woman has worked so fucking hard to to be where she is right now. And even though it was a room full of men, all of them were laughing, but I knew that I have to do something about it. I have to speak up, I have to say something. So I just told them that that you have to change your perspective, and this is not how you look at a woman, because she has worked really hard. She cannot be a laughing stock for you. So I said something along the lines of that, and they apologized. Maybe they didn't mean the apology or they mean it, I don't really care about that. But even in a room full of strangers and where there is no protection, and I'm in a different state altogether, different situation altogether, taking a solo trip, I just felt that it was really important for me to take a stand. And that really helped me to understand that it's very important to speak up sometimes. Not always, you obviously have to choose your battles wisely, but it is important to speak up whenever it's necessary. So that was a very important lesson for me, and I'm just glad I did that. So by the end of those 7 days, मेरे को वो लग चुका था लत solo travel का sort of, because I really wanted to do it all over again. And I was really glad that I took that decision. It was uncomfortable at times. काफ़ी बार मैं अकेली थी, काफ़ी बार मैं लोगों के साथ थी. I stood my ground. I had my moment. All of those things were there. But something inside you changes when you do these kind of things, and I would highly encourage you to do that. And once you do that, something inside you begins, and it stays with you forever, or it changes the experience or whatever you feel from inside, right? So yeah, that was all for this episode of Dear Future Solo Traveler. In the next episode, I'm going to talk about how to plan your first solo trip. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Destination कैसे decide करना है, क्या tips ध्यान रखना है, travel apps कौन से होने चाहिए, overwhelm कैसे नहीं होना है, overthink कैसे नहीं करना है. I'm going to cover every single ground. All you have to do is like, share and subscribe. And please leave a comment if you found this video helpful, and just tell me if you have any solo travel questions, because towards the end of this series I'm going to do a Q&A round where I'll answer all your questions. So yeah, don't worry. I hope you liked this episode. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.